everybody, Gina DeLuca here. All right, I'm going to try this rose thing again. I have my Lazy Susan here. This is just a cake decorating Lazy Susan, but I taped it to just a plate from the dollar store so that it was sitting up more and not sitting in a pool of paint. I'm going to be using the same colors that I used last time because I loved the way they look together. So the colors we've got the Arteza Pouring acrylic colors, and it comes in a box set, like so. You can see comes in a set of 32. You can find the link for those in the description box below. But I have neon purple, cerise pink, coral, and titanium white. Before I get to that, I need to show you my fluid art inspiration cards. For those of you who've seen this spiel already, feel free to fast forward to the good stuff. If you haven't seen this already, this is the good stuff. So there are 52 cards in the deck. There are 48 different technique cards, and each technique has a video that is associated with it, so you can see the tutorial and exactly how to do it. It has a color palette, and then it has these two boxes are meant to be used as a 2-color palette. So they are meant to be complementary. And then we have 8 bonus color palette cards, and each one of those cards has 5 different color palettes on it. You can just choose a few of the colors. You can use all of the colors. There are many, many thousands of combinations, and if I was better at math, I would tell you what that was. I don't know. It makes my head hurt and makes my house smell like bacon. All right, the good stuff. Let's get to painting. So I'm going to put some paint in a cup. First thing I'm going to do is put on some gloves because this stuff is sticky. I'm going to start with the neon purple. And then the pink. The white. And the coral. Okay, this will likely be more than enough paint, I hope. But I'll cover the edges with one of these colors if it looks like I'm going to run short. Okay, here goes nothing. Okay, right here at the end, I'm going to go the other way. And back the other way. Try to make that look like a bud. Okay. This was obviously not level. Oh boy, y'all. I think maybe I did it. I want to try to maintain that center as much as I can. I'm just going to use up some of this paint to help this slide around a little better. This stuff comes in such small bottles, you hate to waste any of it. Normally I would do a base coat so that it would slide around better. But this stuff is precious. Okay, I'm just trying to get this composition how I want it now. I'm controlling the weight of the paint. I'm watching where it moves the fastest. That is where the weight is. And that can really help you control your composition. Okay, I'm gonna leave this alone and I'm gonna bring you in for a close-up. Back in a few. Okay, here it is. Closer than last time. Still not perfect, but I think the center has more of a bud-like effect. It has some great 3D action going on. So close. I want this thing to look like a rose, and I am getting very, very close. Let's see what this looks like with the black light. All right, there it is. It's so hard to really, it's daylight in here, so it's hard to get a good angle. You see, without, with. Okay, well that's it for this trial. Getting closer. I hope y'all enjoyed and hope you learned something. I did. If you enjoyed, please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my Venmo tip jar and my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined. Our Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. Join us there, post your masterpieces, ask your questions, get some inspiration. My website, GinaDeLuca.net, where you can find my art and music for sale, as well as the fluid art inspiration cards. My Amazon store, most of the items that you see me use are available on the Amazon store. If they're not, if you enter through the link provided, I will still receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. An easy way to help a starving artist stay afloat in this time of the Rona. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. Well, I guess that's it. Do check out the description box and do wash your hands frequently. Don't touch your face. And stay 6 to 35 feet apart from anybody. That works for me. All right, y'all. I hope you have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.